We're now here in Schönbrunn, one of the best and very nice park here in Vienna. It's a well-known park here in Vienna.
Yeah, I like that.
And
Nag-agree na lang.
if you want to see the beauty of Vienna, unless you come here. It's very beautiful. Just get quiet because somebody is passing by again, and I don't want to take over here. So please, yes.
It's fun.
It's a very nice day, although we walk a lot, but it's okay.
But anyway, it's a sunny day. Magbabay na kayo pero gumanong ka sa camera.
Bye guys.
Guys. Kasi ganun mo ang camera. Takloban mo.
Bye guys.
Hindi ikaw, takloban mo yung camera. Halo.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Ito. Grabe. Huwag ka namang OA.
Uya kay nag-ainhulan. Abro mo makatarik yan.
Di naman.
Hello.
Wait.
Mga pamilya. We are here now. Hi guys. We're now here in Schönbrunn. And we're just
We
waiting
are
for
very lucky
our
to have a good day and have a happiness day
happiness day.
and have a cool day. You know,
Yes, quiet please.
We
because
are
somebody is
now-
passing by and I don't want that they will hurt you telling something which is not right. Okay.
okay. So about the sunny now is very shy.
The sunny now is very shy.
The sunny now is very shy.
My sister is now practicing her English because
when I'm going to the Philippines with my uncle Nisi, we are supposed to be.
but your lips is like a sweetie.
This is 24 hours.
Also,
24
a sweetie
hours.
yan.
This is gone tomorrow morning. Because I don't like to put again and again and again. So,
Hi guys. I know that the sun
guys.
is shining very bright.
very shiny and sunny is very
Here
good.
is the weather,
The sunny, puro
very
shiny and
nice
sunny.
weather.
Sama ng